Hello friends, this is Durga again from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. As part of this video, we will see what are the different modes you can run Spark applications. Okay, typically we will be running in cluster mode in production environment, but in development, you might not have the cluster. For example, I have set up environment on my Mac earlier, and when I submit the Scala script or Python script, it actually ran in something called local mode. So in local mode, there will be only one JVM created, and that JVM will take care of executing the end-to-end program, end-to-end Spark program. But when you actually deploy it on production, typically you will set up in one of the cluster modes, and the most prominent cluster modes are Yarn and Mesos. Mesos is native to Spark. Spark and Mesos works very well. Yarn, it will be little bit slower, but the advantage with Yarn is you can also have multiple other things as part of the cluster when you use it with Yarn. And Yarn can actually monitor both Spark and other services such as MapReduce while allocating the resources. So Yarn is quite popular when you use distributions such as Cloudera or Hortonworks and have Spark on it. Mesos is quite popular where only Spark applications are being run without dependencies on MapReduce and other Cloudera based or Hortonworks based tools. Okay, so Yarn and Mesos are the most famous ones when it comes to running your applications in cluster mode. So local mode works very well for while we are exploring the technologies, but in troubleshooting certain issues, local mode is not good enough. But that doesn't mean that you need to have Yarn or Mesos mode to run your Spark jobs. You can use something called standalone. So to run in, if you go to our Spark, if we go to the location where our Spark binaries are copied, in my case it is under Spark, which is a soft link to actual directory. After untouring the file, you can go back and see setup environment video and understand what I have done. This is the location where I have my binaries, and there is a directory called sbin. Okay, and if you remember, I have added sbin also to the path. You can validate that by running echo $path command, and you can see that I have added sbin also. And if you go to the sbin, we have start slave, start master on top of Mesos. Okay, you have start master, stop master, start slave, stop slave, and also there are few scripts related to Mesos also. Okay, so if you want to run standalone mode, again standalone is primarily for the development and probably to troubleshoot certain things when you run in the cluster mode. Other than that, we typically don't use standalone mode for running in production. In production, either we will use Yarn or Mesos, which are a lot more reliable than standalone. So local mode and standalone are primarily for development and troubleshooting purposes locally on your laptop, whereas Yarn and Mesos are the production based ones. For the developer, the impact is very minimal depending upon the mode you want to run. You just have to say -- master, and then you have to give the URL of your cluster mode master. So if it is Yarn, you have to give the Yarn based URL. If it is Mesos, you have to give the Mesos based URL. If it is standalone, you have to give the Spark based URL to run in different cluster modes. Apart from that, everything is same for the developer. So you don't need to worry much about these different modes, but you should be aware about how you can actually use different modes, which will be covered at the latter point in time when we actually start developing the Spark based applications, either by using Scala or Python at latter point in time. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content on Spark training. If you want to provide the feedback, please do so. Please provide the rating. If there are no issues in my content, please give the good rating. If there are any issues, please communicate to me about the issue. If I have to reshoot the video, I will reshoot, or if I have to provide any other inputs to explain you, I will do so, and then you can give the final rating. That being said, thank you. Bye.